Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make lobster in Cookingdom step by step. Start by gathering fresh lobster, a large pot, seasonings, and tools so everything is ready. I will guide you through timing, heat, and simple techniques to get tender meat. You will learn key checks for doneness, quick cooling for easier cracking, and a simple butter sauce to highlight natural flavor. Follow along at your own pace. Begin preparation by rinsing the lobster under cold water and patting it dry so seasoning sticks. Trim antennae and check the shell for cracks that could change how heat moves through the meat. Let lobsters sit a few minutes at room temperature to avoid sudden shock when they hit hot water. Prep your cutting board, shears, and a bowl for meat as you heat the pot for consistent workflow and clean service. Choose boiling for a classic result, steaming for tender meat, or grilling for smoky notes and char. Boiling gives reliable texture, steaming is gentler on the meat, and grilling adds crisp edges and aroma when you split the shell. I will explain timing based on weight and signs of doneness so you avoid overcooking. Also learn a simple rest and cool trick that makes shelling much easier and reduces mess at the table.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.